Are you creating content for touchscreens or infokiosks? Games are a great way to attract user attention, to pass on valuable information, or teach people something new in playful way. In the new version of LAKIOO Creator, you can now find games Tic Tac Toe, memory game, and puzzle. In this video, I'll show you how to easily integrate these games into your project. Everything without the need for technical programming skills. Let's take a look. First game, Tic Tac Toe. I open the page and drag and drop or double click to get this widget to the canvas. Here, I can adjust the color according to any design. And click preview, and let's play. Tic Tac Toe is a game that develops logical thinking, simple and playful. Second is memory game. Open the page and drag and drop or double click this widget to get to the canvas. Stretch to desired position, choose number of pairs, and drag and drop images into the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now set the card cover. Click preview and let's play. Memory game is a great choice for different age categories and ideal for developing memory, fast and playful. The third, puzzle game. This way you can create your own puzzle from your images and create challenge according to your wishes. Again, open the page and double click or drag and drop to get this widget to the canvas. Stretch to desired position and drag and drop image to this area. I will change number of pieces and change outline color. Now click preview and let's play. This game will increase memorability of your brand. Simple, fast, and with fun. LAKIOO games are ready for you. Drag and drop them into the canvas, adjust the colors and images according to your requirements, and watch people to learn and having fun at the same time. This is how you can easily increase engagement of your users, improve patience, and put smile on their faces. With interactive games, your projects will become more fun and memorable. LAKIOO, your wise digital signage app.